Hello friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. Many were asking me if this is the right time to buy for a long term. I have advised them not to buy now because this is not 2008 and the things are going to get ugly in the upcoming days, and I wouldn't be surprised if the Nifty is hitting 6,000 or 5,000 because we have not seen the third stage yet, and just like how Italy is facing now, if we face the same situation, things are going to get very bad. And USA, as far as I know, I spoke with few people in the USA, and uh, some of the people over there are not taking it very seriously, and they are partying in Florida and many other places. So the next coming weeks will be very critical for both USA and India. You never know what's gonna happen because every industry is taking a hit right now, starting from travel industry, airline industry, and obviously the IT industry will also be down if these two or three industries is down. And there could also be a mass layoff. If there is a mass layoff, they won't be able to pay the EMIs to the bank, and that will increase the NPAs for the banks. This in turn will turn into a recession, a prolonged recession, not like 2008. This is going to be very bad than 2008. uh, if you have a savings, I would request you not to trade, not that put not don't please don't use that money for trading, because we never know how long it is going to be there. There is going to be layoffs for sure, so please be careful if you are in IT or any other things, and try to earn from passive income also, but not trading right now. You will not be able to make money unless you know what you are doing. And so please be careful and do not invest right now because we have not seen the bottom yet. Okay, right now when I'm recording this video, Nifty is in 8,700, and I wouldn't be surprised if it hits 5,000 or 6,000 in the upcoming months. So please be careful and stay safe, guys.